Python Bootcamp video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Slim. In this video tutorial, we are going to discuss about strings in Python. So here I open my terminal and I created a folder in my desktop. Now I'm going to create a new file. Say the name is playground.py, and I'm going to open a new terminal. Make sure you're in current directory where you save this file playground.py. To make sure, run a command. Yes, so you exit here. So string, we are going to manipulate string and we'll concatenate, and in next video tutorial we'll see how we can make the slicing in for our strings. I'm taking a variable, my string, this is our string, and this is second string. Now let's see how to concatenate string. strc. This variable is a predefined you can set as a class or object in Python, so don't use str and int, this kind of predefined variable in your code. Now I'm going to take the variable str underscore manipulator, something like that. My string plus my string 2. Now in this way both of these string will be concatenated, but what is the problem? The word of string, this one, and this keyword will be merge, means there is no spacing. If I make print out this variable, save. Now I'm going to run this file. My bad, the name actually entered wrong. No, it's okay. Playground.py. But if you are using Mac or Linux, make sure to type Python 3 then your file name. Here you can see a string and this. Now the same keywords mean this string and this, both of the words. Now here what we have to do, just pass here import string like that and make it concatenate. Again, if I run, now it's okay. This is first string, this is second string here. If I type here \n, save, and again I'm going to run, now it's coming in. It's two separate lines. If I type here T, means a tab. Again, let's run. You can see we put here a tab. It means 8 spaces, I think, in tab. So one more thing here, if I can replace this variable with another value, maybe is integer, maybe a decimal or a boolean, with any data type. Let's say I'm going to change. Here I pass a string in this variable, or I store. Now I'm going to change the value of my variable here. Say I'm typing here 99.99. If I run, let's see what happened here. You can see in line number 6 in our playground, unspotted error, float and string means it's not concatenate. But if I remove this one and let's make it print this variable and see the value is updated or not. Make it comment. Sorry, here in Python we have to use sharp sign for comment. Okay. Run. Now you can see the value is updated. Before we pass string value to our variable, now here I update and pass here this value and it's appearing in front of us. So Python is very flexible in this matters. If before we pass integer or string value or boolean and later we update or store new data type value, it will easily store, not creating any problem like in C++ or Dart. So let's check the type. Save. Sorry, my bad, it's not working here. We have to run Python. Okay, one more thing I want to show. Remove it, and I'm also going to remove this tab here. Length. I'm going to pass here length of our string manipulate or menu. What is this? Whatever the keyword. If again I run this file, now it's giving us the length, means there is total 39 characters. And if I pass here the type and check what's the type of this variable, and again run, it's a string. More this thing you can run directly here in your terminal, like I'm typing here Python 3. If I run, now here is open our terminal. We can pass here print, then type, hello world. If I run, now it's giving me type. Sorry, here is a spelling mistake. Print. Now it's okay. Again run. Now you can see here the type is string. Same thing we can write or run whatever we are practicing here in my playground. Sorry, this playground.py file. Length. Now you can see it's a 11. So this is how we can manipulate strings and how we can work with string, the two main um, functions of string like length or type, and how we can make a concatenate a new line, a tab. So that's all this video tutorial. In next video we will discuss about slicing.